learn sunrise, city kneels to blue. Silence tastes of goals we grew.
Keys in a bowl like comets in a ring. Calendar says earn and the hour is sing. Avenues tilt, momentum takes the wheel. Patience turns to diamonds you can feel. Mirrors hold a rumor of the crown. Every lane a sentence writing down. Routine is royalty dressed in sweat. Focus is the rarest asset yet. If walls look tall, measure them with will. If fear sells noise, master being still. When doors forget the name you stake, engrave it in the road you make.
Gilded wake, engines draw the line.
Ocean learns our signature and bright. Gilded wake, headlights bless the stone. We turn a distant maybe to our own. Luxury is proof that habits stay. Mansion Street horizon, greenlit day. Count the courage in the glide. Let the doubt step aside. Let the stars decide.
Library quiet, leather holds the lore. Staircase curls like purpose on the floor.
Kitchen clock convert the grind to grace. Pool like glass reflects a fearless face. Studio light on plans that never sleep. Harvest from the promises we keep. Harbor hum, the city turns to gold. Wake draws crowns that never fold. Charts confess the routes we chose. Wind signs off on every rose. Discipline is velvet on the steel. Software unbreakable to feel.
Runway lanterns count to one. Tires whisper it's begun. Altitude adopts the vow. Clouds make room for here and now. If storms arrive, refine the aim. Turn pressure into painted flame.
Choirs rise like domes of light. Brass carves halos in the night. 808s confirm the ride. Gilded wake, standard raised again. From harbor calm to heaven's lane. Gilded wake, signature in flight. We fold the dark, unfold the light. From study lamp to skyline blaze. We cash in courage, earn the praise. Feel the pull, align your feet. Join the rhythm, claim the seat. Follow, say, return, repeat.
City breeze, the terrace keeps the view. Oath goes on, the targets grow anew.
Tomorrow taps, permission granted. Do